The water pump is a critical component on any outboard motor because it circulates cooling water through the power head. While replacing the water pump impeller does not require any special tools, it is a moderately challenging job. So depending on your year, make, model, and horsepower range, that's going to ultimately determine the parts that you're working with, so it may not be the exact same parts that you see in this video, but the overall concept and the process is the same. As we go through this, we're going to point out a couple of key things along the way that you want to pay close attention to. Today we are going to install a complete Quicksilver water pump repair kit. A complete Quicksilver water pump repair kit includes a new pump housing. This kit will include new gaskets and seals for use when reassembling the water pump. You can consult your service manual for the proper orientation of gaskets and the proper order of assembly. Here's a pro tip. Never start an outboard unless its water pickups are in the water or if the motor is connected to a water source like a flush fitting or a flush device. Water is the only lubrication for the rubber water pump impeller. Running it dry for even a moment can cause the impeller tips to melt and disintegrate. For more information on the complete line of Quicksilver engine products, visit quicksilver-products.com.